Electric vehicles, the shining beacons of a greener future. But what if this dazzling image is just an illusion? Electric cars are undeniably cool. They're quiet, powerful, and promise a cleaner conscience. But are they truly the environmental saviors they're cracked up to be? Let's peel back the layers of this shiny new toy and examine the not-so-green underbelly. We've been told that electric vehicles are the holy grail in the fight against climate change. But is this really the case? Let's dive into the facts. First, let's talk about those batteries. Electric cars rely heavily on rare earth minerals, substances essential for their high-performance batteries. Mining these minerals is an incredibly dirty process, involving toxic chemicals and leaving behind vast, scarred landscapes. It's a heavy environmental price to pay for a single car. And it doesn't stop there. The manufacturing of electric vehicles is also far from eco-friendly. Building these cars requires immense amounts of energy, often generated from fossil fuels. So while you might be driving a zero-emission vehicle, the carbon footprint of its production is substantial. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Electricity. While electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, the electricity that powers them often comes from fossil fuel power plants. So unless you're charging your car with 100% renewable energy, you're still contributing to carbon emissions, just indirectly. But wait, there's more. Even when electric car batteries eventually die, they pose a significant environmental challenge. Recycling these batteries is complex and expensive, and many end up in landfills, leaching harmful chemicals into the ground. It's crucial to remember that passenger cars are not the primary culprits of climate change. Industries, power generation, and agriculture are responsible for far greater emissions. Counterargument. Now, before you dismiss electric cars entirely, let's be clear. They are undeniably cleaner than their gasoline counterparts. And as renewable energy sources become more prevalent, the environmental impact of electric cars will undoubtedly decrease. Electric cars are a step in the right direction, but they are not the silver bullet solution to climate change. We need a holistic approach that addresses emissions from all sectors. While the allure of electric vehicles is undeniable, it's essential to look beyond the shiny exterior and consider the full environmental impact. We must support policies that promote renewable energy, invest in public transportation, and encourage energy efficiency across all industries. Only then can we truly make a significant difference in combating climate change. The future of transportation is complex, and it requires careful consideration of all factors. Let's strive for a truly sustainable future.